It is once again me time, baby. And no, not me time, me time. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So yes, like you heard in the intro, it is indeed me time. We have the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra literally in my hands. I am so pumped for this. I'm not gonna beat around the bush. One of the main things about the Mi 11 Ultra that I'm most excited for is, and you probably never thought you would ever hear me say this, but the camera bump. I'm excited for the camera bump. Reason being, we have something new with the camera bump here in the Mi 11 Ultra. I'm not gonna say too much, I'm gonna let it kind of be a surprise, but something new that is actually making me kind of appreciate camera bumps now. Can't believe I'm saying these words. But enough talking, let's just get into it. Let's unbox the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra right now. First things first, quick look at the box. You can see the lovely bronzed 11 logo right there. Mi 11 Ultra, 5G. Of course, this is 5G connectable. Mi 11 Ultra on the left side, Mi 11 Ultra on the right side, Xiaomi on the top, Xiaomi on the bottom, nothing on the back. Let's do this. The reveal of the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Xiaomi. Beautiful Xiaomi logo right there. We have a little tab right here. If we undo this, there it is. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra right there. But before we get to that, let's take a look at what this little tab thing is all about. You'll see if we open this up, we get our SIM card ejection tool, as well as some other goodies in here. We have our USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter. So for those of you who are upset about not having a headphone jack in smartphones anymore, don't worry. At least with the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, you do have an adapter. Good that we got that. You have your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra guide, your user guide. I will read through that later. You also have your warranty card. So if you're wondering about the warranty, what it entails, all that good stuff, your warranty information, I'll read that later. And then last but not least, Xiaomi is so kind enough to actually include a case with your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Look at that. That's a sign of things to come right there. Oh my goodness, this camera bump, man, is gonna be something unique. And that is it. But now for the main part you've been waiting for. We have right here, the Mi 11 Ultra. Oh, look at that camera bump. Oh, he's thick, boy. Look at that camera bump. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. We've got a lot going on right here. An AMOLED display on the side. Bet you didn't see that coming. We're gonna see what that's all about in just a second. I like how Xiaomi does this, by the way. You can see a little breakdown of features that you're getting in this smartphone right on the front cellophane. A next generation 50 megapixel super sensor for your camera. WQHD plus ultimate clear 120 hertz display. That's talking my language right there. High refresh rate displays. And then you get your flagship Snapdragon 888 and your 67 watt wired and your 67 watt wireless turbocharging with a long lasting 5,000 milliamp hour battery. So just a little breakdown of the features. There's a lot more to this phone than just that, but that's smart. I like how you take it out of the box and you're like, oh, that's right. That's what I'm getting. But let's do the part I know you've been waiting for, the most rewarding part of this entire experience. The removal of the cellophane. Which way do I go first? Let me figure this out so I can make it pretty for you. The removal of the cellophane. But first, forgot to get that out of the way. So, the removal of the cellophane. Ooh, that color is amazing. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. We'll also remove this little manufacturer sticker right there. And there we have it. Look how she glistens. Look at her glistening. Oh my goodness. Overall, a very sleek feel. It feels good in the hand. Feels definitely polished, feels of high quality. We have a curved display in the front, a curved back. This massive camera bump, which honestly, I'm not really hating because at least it's symmetrical. If you're gonna make a camera bump, make it cool, like Xiaomi's doing here, and also make it symmetrical so we have no wobbly issues. I love it. Simple, but it works. Other things of note, you do have your power button along with your volume up and volume down buttons on the right side of the device. On the left side, nothing. She's naked on the left side. What appears to be a speaker on the top, and then on the bottom, you of course have your USB-C connection, your SIM card area, and I'm assuming another speaker. That's what those little dots and lines are right there. But let's turn her on, shall we? There it is, Mi, powered by Android. Oh, and the haptic feedback feels good too. 5G, look at that beautiful animation, oh my goodness. Mi UI, and now we get to go through the very exciting setup process, which is pretty cool because all I have to do is snap my fingers, and for those of you watching at home, it's gonna be done. I gotta do some work behind the scenes, but with the magic of editing, watch this, I'm gonna snap my fingers, and it's set up. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra smartphone set up for the first time. And this is exciting. Actually, in terms of placement, you'll notice that I kind of use this camera bump as a sort of support area right there. But look at that, oh, there it is. The AMOLED display on the back of the camera bump. Like I said, if you're gonna have a massive camera bump, Xiaomi's saying, go big or go home and make it useful. And they literally just put a AMOLED display on the back of the phone. Oh, pretty awesome. This is my first time obviously seeing that, so I'm not sure if you could customize this or what, but you can see the time, the date, the battery. I'm sure you could do some things with that. So if you guys wanna know my thoughts on the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, if you wanna follow the content that I'm gonna be creating about this smartphone, of course, you already know, subscribe with notifications turned on so that you do not miss the future content about this baby. But as always, if you guys are interested in finding out more about the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, or just to snag one of these puppies for yourself, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/Mi11 Ultra, bmac.link/Mi11 Ultra, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. But with that having been said, this baby set up, I am so ready to use this camera. Oh my gosh, I got so many things popping up right now. What is going on? I will see you guys in my next video. This is actually kind of cool. I like this. I should do an entire video like this. Actually, that's kind of pointless. Why would you want to look at a display with a camera showing what the camera show? We're not gonna do that, but that was kind of cool. I used it, and now I'll probably never do it again. But I hope you liked it.